Green on?
Well, I do, yes. It's the one green thing I own, so I ironed it real quickly and put it on. And there's another leopard.
Zuri did too.
This is the only green shirt I have. So.
It's sort of a French-Irish look you're rocking.
I like to still stay with the times. I have my little beanie on.
But, it's still Thursday.
It is. In keeping with the St. Patty's Day theme, we have the parade happening downtown. Kicks off at 11:30 a.m.
And earlier this morning was the greening. Was the fountain. I think we have the video of that. They do that nice and early here in India.
Yeah.
Yep. There's the mayor getting started.
Yeah, it is
fancy.
Pour that in. Don't you wonder why they couldn't dye it blue the rest of the year?
Well, they could.
The water.
It was green for a while.
Andy.
I don't know.
I like it green.
Yeah, but we're all in the parade.
Yeah, we're all going to be there, so I'll be there. I'm walking. Thanks for reminding me, Andy. I'm not cool enough to drive in one of the Corvettes. So I'll
the
be
Corvettes,
walking.
or is it Mustangs? We have Mustangs.
Mustangs,
Right.
is it?
Because,
Either way, I'm not in it, so I don't care. I hope it's the worst,
Zuri Power.
not cool sports car ever.
It's not.
Because I'll
gonna
be
be the
walking
best one
alongside
ever.
it. Yeah,
No, it's pretty cool. I actually got to drive it home last night.
Oh, you
I'm
got
not
those
bragging.
perks, privileges.
At all. No, it was awesome. Those Mustangs they're the GTs, so they're pretty cool. Fired up in the garage, it kind of echoes.
I like the way we're just talking about the cars I don't get to ride in. That's really
I'm sorry.
exciting
I'll
for
send
me.
you a picture though.
I'll take
text
one
you.
while I'm walking alongside it. So yeah, that's cool.
You're a sport. All right, what's going on after the parade?
Stretch out and then prep for the parade.
Tomorrow, the Pacers take on the Bulls at Conseco Fieldhouse.
Nice.
So that's something that everyone can check out. On Saturday, the DSI Fashion Show Gala is happening at the Indiana Roof Ballroom. So I think tickets may still be available for that. We also have the Julian Center's Starlight Ball. So the Julian Center, benefits victims of domestic violence. And so that's a really great way to support that cause. And then we also have Brick World. So it's a 2-day convention thing. And it's happening at the Indiana Convention Center for people who like Legos.
Wait a second, Legos.
Yes, and it's 10,000 square feet of displays made out of Lego bricks. So if you're obsessed
That's
with
my
that,
dream job, would be to be a Lego master builder.
go down there
Those
and
things
learn
are-
from the masters.
Well, they're actually going to be on our show tomorrow, so
Yeah.
maybe we'll get to play with Legos a little bit. Did you like Legos when you were a kid? Did you have them?
I did the Lego thing because I have two
Yeah.
brothers, and they just forced me to do stuff I didn't really care about.
They
But I mean-
forced you to play with Legos?
Well, yeah,
No, I
'cause
still play with
it's
Legos.
either I'm alone in the corner playing by myself, or I'm doing whatever my brothers are doing. So it was never Barbie time for me.
How did you turn out so well?
I know, right?
I'm gonna have to change these spots to the pity party. I gotta walk in the parade. I had to play with the stuff my brothers forced me to play with.
all the
But
time, I know.
Legos are
Sad,
cool.
sad
Still big
life.
at the Forner household. So.
Yeah.
And speaking of the Pacers game, coming up later in the show, we have a guest here with Multiple Sclerosis Society, and there is an opportunity to get a discount on your tickets for tomorrow night. We're gonna
Because
have
tomorrow
a
is
webpage.
MS Day, right?
Yeah, at the game. Yeah,
Yep,
exactly. Wear some
absolutely.
orange. So that's coming up as well.
We got a lot of good stuff coming up on the show today.
Yeah,
We're
you might have to
making
carve
black
up.
and
I
tens.
will.
That's
I'll
right.
totally carve up.
And also, we are going to be giving away Bob Seger tickets a little
How
bit
cool is
later on in
that?
the show. I know. Do you like Bob Seger?
Bob Seger.
He's-
Sure.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You know,
Yeah.
Zuri, I'm going to let you ride with me during the parade so you get Bob Seger lesson. But coming up,
Sounds
Chef
like it.
Ben is going to have a black and tan lesson for us, and the Chef's Academy is here as well. We're just getting started.
We are. Sorry.